Much for all the fucking fireworks we got in the world. PJ, what's your Warzone to take on it? I can't even see your fucking ass.
I know,
You're all black and shit.
I know, man.
Midnight motherfucker.
Yeah, I know, right? Bye-bye.
We got mortars. What is this shit? Hollywood Lights. Broken Jade. Super Stallion. Purple Rain, don't know what the fuck you are, and a bunch of other shit. And we can't see anything now, so I'm turning this shit off.
Satcom up?
Yep. Mike and our Roman. Yo, if we aim it that way or some shit, man, we're gonna fucking blow up our fireworks.
I'm gonna.
Fuck.
Man. All right, I'm recording.
You recording? You recording? I don't know, PJ, shut up.
Cause power lines.
Oh, fuck. The wind's blowing that way. Still going?
Yeah, still rolling.
Oh, fuck, hit the deck, this way.
That's it. That's got it. We got it. Hey, chill out, man. They do have a little.
I'm gonna blind your ass. What's up?
How you doing, sir?
How you doing, ma'am?
I'm doing good tonight, sir.
I don't know if you can see yourself. Oh, you can.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's harassment, officer.
Is it harassment? We haven't even done nothing yet.
What you following me for? What's your proper call?
Oh, I just have a bunch of explosives. That's basically about it. I was
Shit,
gonna stick them in your bag and light them.
Oh, hell no.
Give me a match of the lights, damn it.
What the
You're
fuck?
broke, man.
I like who trying to light it?
You light it for me, damn it.
Don't forget, point it in the sky. Don't
Or at
fuck
you.
it. Don't burn us all up, dog. There she go. I told you she was coming. Not the tree line. Not the tree line.
No, where?
You gotta shake it.
When was that?
That was 5. Drop it. There you go.
We about to run. We're gonna go chill. No, we're not. Jinx it. Knock on wood. Run, Forrest, run!
Oh shit! I ain't expecting that much noise. Oh, that shit is loud. Oh. That is loud.